goes into the boys' locker room, refuses to leave. Then when he says he's going to leave, he goes to the girls' locker room. And
Woo! Disturbing courtroom case unfolds after a man is found inside a school locker room where he clearly doesn't belong, refusing to leave, raising serious concerns. The judge doesn't hold back, laying down strict conditions and making it clear this won't be tolerated. This gets intense fast. If you like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama. Now let's jump into it.
With criminal trespass, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On September 18, 2024, a law enforcement officer was dispatched to a citizen holding call or a citizen holding suspect call at 9825 Stella Link Road in Harris County, Texas. Law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant. The complainant, a coach at Emory Weiner School, stated that he witnessed the defendant inside of the boys' locker room talking to students.
What?
The complainant told the defendant to leave and not to interact with the students, which the defendant refused. The complainant stated that security guards entered the locker.
Man, what a creep. That dude definitely looks old enough to be a father of early high school. Man, that's creepy.
Room and forcefully removed the defendant. The law enforcement officer observed the defendant detained in front of the boys' locker room and was identified with his Texas driver's license.
Mr. Williams, you're not a student there or a teacher there, are you? Okay, don't go back to Emory Weiner. Holy moly, if I find that you go back to a school or is it an elementary school? It's like a high school, isn't it? Like a,
I believe it's a middle school. Let me double check.
do you have any children? I'm ordering you not to go to any high school, any middle school, any elementary school whatsoever for any reason. Not to have contact with anyone under the age of 15. And if you do, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand?
I guess it's a mixed school.
I assume he's doing 15 because of people being 16 and older end up being able to work. I guess. I don't know. It still seems weird.
Grades 6 through 12.
How old are you, Mr. Williams? What do you do for a living, sir? Okay.
43? Did I hear that right? No, I have to back up.
Okay. What do you do for a living? How old are you, Mr. Williams? What do you do for a living, sir?
Oh no, he is 43. Oh, how creepy.
Okay. I'm going to tell you now that my sole purpose in life is to protect every single child in this county. And if I find that you become a danger to anyone, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're going to have teeth falling out. Do you understand, sir? No contact, and I'm absolutely serious. How much money do you make a month, sir? Okay. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, I'll have you take your seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it.
Judge, can we also ask for restrictions to parks?
So are you here on this case?
I'm not, Judge. I just have no scared the probable cause.
Tell me, what do you got?
Well, based upon the probable cause, Judge, the state would recommend restriction to any parks where children should be normally at play and restriction to internet access in order to prevent any type of interaction. But I am not on this case.
No, yeah. Well, I want to protect all children, right?
Man, I'm glad the judge went straight there. It was his first and major concern was the children. Everything else be damned. Gotta protect the kids, man. They can't protect themselves yet.
If he was charged with something like a child pornography, then absolutely, right? But he may have a lot of business on internet, banking, mortgage, just. Parks, okay. Internet, I don't know. I think that might be, you see what they want me to do, Mr. Williams, right? And I'm going to tell you now, if I were to limit your internet access, your life would be it would just be a lot more difficult. I don't want to make your life difficult, but at the same time, I want to protect every single child here. And I'm going to do everything I need to do it. Do you understand? So if I find that you're acting a fool out there in the free world, however it may be, you saw me just now put someone else with a $50,000 bond. I mean, I have no problem making it $500,000. I've done it before and I'll do it again. So just beware.
Ooh. $500,000 bond? Yeah, he's definitely trying to keep him in line. I like that.
When you're out there, make smart choices. Do you understand? Okay, so no parks or places where children can go.
Any devices?
Devices, guys?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Device?
Most definitely a GPS device with an exclusion zone, Judge. At that.
I agree with that as well, but I'll waive the fee so he doesn't have to pay for it.
Judge, we
But
would ask
yeah,
for home confinement as well.
well, I'm not gonna do home confinement. He's gotta work. That would seriously, you know, he said he doesn't have children.
Could we request some sort of proof of employment, Judge, so I know that he's not misrepresenting the court or we say no home confinement, because this is a dangerous case, Judge. And part of the community is affected by this case. Children were affected. He goes into the boys' locker room, refuses to leave. Then when he says he's gonna leave, he goes to the girls' locker room. And yes, Judge, it's a very dangerous case and the community was affected.
Yeah, and then going within, 500 feet of any school, elementary school. Yeah. I'm putting a monitor on you so I know where you are because I'm not going to take your word for it. Understand if the battery dies, so will you. You have to charge it on a daily basis. That thing costs around $500 to $600 a month. I'm going to pay for it for you so that there's no excuse, but you need to understand that you're going to have to charge that thing on a daily basis. And if the battery dies, that's it. I'm not going to entertain any excuses. Do you understand? Now, I'm not going to require proof of employment, but I'm going to take your word that you're a working man, that somehow you need to survive, but just you're walking and skirting a very short leash here. Do you understand, Mr. Williams? Okay. Well, don't. You have the right to remain silent. I've got a ton of DAs here, and everything you say, they're going to use it again. They're going to, use it against you, and I want to protect you as much as I can within the, bounds of the law. Do you need me to appoint you a lawyer?
I do.
Okay. I'll have him fill out an application.
Any drug tests?
Yeah, I guess no drugs, no alcohol as well.
Man, that's kind of shitty, but I get it. Judge got to make sure it's fair to everyone. That dude should not have been in the locker room.
Yeah. I will provide you a lawyer today. They'll be able to counsel you on how to move forward, but no drugs, no alcohol. You know what the other conditions are. They want me to make you stay at home. I don't want to have to do that. Just, you understand what's expected of you, right? Okay, man. All right. I'll have you sign a receipt with Victoria. We're going to have you fill out an application, and then I'll just have you take a seat in the jury box.
Man, that was a crazy one. Oh, I'm shocked the dude wasn't beaten up at all, being the fact that was Texas and that he went straight to jail like that. It's kind of crazy. If you want to see more drama like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama, and I'll see you on the next one.